I, Donnie Fodder, on behalf of Ashley Mohammed, Johnny Roberts, Scott van der Merwe, and myself, do hereby express our sincere remorse and contribution about our conduct which formed the subject matter of the criminal proceedings brought against us. During the criminal proceedings, I regret and apology to the 5 staff members of the university, 4 of whom were complainants in the case, were publicly stated. We deeply regret our conduct and the harm it occasioned for the university, the workers of the university, and the broader community of South Africa. In the past few months, and yes, since April 2008, we have lived through the most horrible period in our lives. We have been rejected by many within our own community and riddled by people who do not even know us. We now wish to address ourselves to the 5 staff members of courses: Mrs. Emma Koko, Mrs. Rebecca Adams, Mrs. Mita Natsaleng, Ms. Naomi Pororo, and Mr. David Moletti. During the time that we were students, you served the university and our residents, and you treated us with kindness and consideration. We were privileged to know you, and you clearly reposed trust in us. We failed you, and we now know that our conduct hurt you deeply. We earnestly request that you would find it in your hearts to forgive us for what we did. We are sincerely and deeply sorry. We undertake it today in the presence of witnesses that we commit ourselves and with God's help to contribute to building a truly non-racial society based on respect for all persons. With true remorse and humility, we ask you to forgive us.